I'm a guy that's worked for a lot of large companies in my career, and I felt the backing that JR had as a large company would be important. You've done a lot of work with government agencies, and I think to get those jobs you have to do a pretty good job. You've got to be quite responsible, and I like that. So I felt between the size, the experience, what you've done before, that you'd be a good choice for me. But most importantly, they did what they said they were going to do. I was told what the process would be, how it would unfold, and I got periodic calls between phases of activity to let me know when things might happen. And if I had a question, I would call myself and just check with them and see what was going on, and they were quite responsive all the time. So, you never know what to expect. Roofing is a busy business, if you will, in Florida right now. Lots of contractors, and you always hear the unfortunate stories that have taken place with other people, and that was definitely not our case here. It all worked out very well, so we're quite happy with it.